Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at the Museum of Military History. So come along with me and see what we can see. To give you an idea of about how far away this place is, I'm going to use the Villages, which is in Central Florida, to give you a little bit of a perspective. Now, as you see, it's a nice day trip. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. As the time of this video, here is the hours of operation and admission fees. Now there are all kinds of discounts. So take a look at this, see if you meet the discount requirement, and they'll get it for you. They're very nice and very knowledgeable people. Now after entering the front doors, you will go to the counter and get your tickets. At that time, I highly suggest that you sign up for the free guided tour. The people there who are doing the tour are fantastic. Then afterwards, go on by yourself and you get to check out all the small details that the tour guide did not have time to go over with you, or did not have time to focus on. Now, according to our tour guide, the concept of the Museum of Military History was devised in a tent at the Vietnam Veterans Traveling Memorial Wall in St. Cloud, Florida in March of 2003. After a few temporary locations in different malls and facilities, it finally found its permanent home on Saturday, March 31st, 2012. Where this current building was dedicated to all veterans, those heroes who were lost in battle, those who have served, those who are serving today, and to the communities of Osceola County. On this map of Vietnam, they actually invite Vietnam vets to write their name on this map. Kind of an extra way to commemorate them and honor them. Now, the mission statement of the Museum of Military History is to educate, increase awareness, build knowledge, and understanding of the American military experience through interactive, interpretive exhibits designed for visitors of all ages. Yeah, I remember these things. Not fun. Not fun at all. The museum provides a historical glimpse into the military heritage with heroic accounts of bravery and sacrifices from those who have fought to maintain our freedom. The exhibits are well worth a visit, with hundreds of genuine artifacts, military relics, photographs, and memorable accounts by former soldiers. Now, it's important to point out that this is a museum only in the sense that military items are displayed here. The main goal is to pay tribute to those who served while preserving our history and researching and reaching out to help educate our youth. Now, the whole museum is handicap accessible, including the restrooms, which are located in the back of the museum. Yeah, and don't forget to check out their wonderful gift shop on your way up. Look at all the great stuff. And don't forget to walk around the building, because you might run into a surprise. Or two. Oh yeah, and watch out for low-flying helicopters when you're at this museum. They're all over the place. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.